This is the Star Learning Series. We're going to do the alphabet letter Q. The sound is Q. Q for Queen. Say the sound and words after me. Q. Queen. The Queen rules the country. Q. Question mark. This symbol is called a question mark. Q. Quilt. My mom made me a quilt for my bed. Q. Queue. He stands in a queue at the shop. Q. Quarrel. Another word for quarrel is fight. Q. Quiet. Quiet means don't make a noise. Q. Quill. A quill comes from a porcupine. Q. Quarter. I ate a quarter of the pizza. Q. Quack. The sound a duck makes is called a quack. Qu. Quadruplets. Quadruplets are 4 children born at the same time from the same mother. Q. Queen. A female cat is called a queen. Q. Quad bike. He rides the quad bike on the sand road. I am a star. Well done. Give yourself a hug.